Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to hide and how to find back the application that you hide from your home screen by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your phone, and the device that I use today is iPhone XR. The way to hide the application from your home screen is so simple. You can see that here is my home screen and I have a lot of applications on it, and if you want to hide it you just need to choose which application that you want to hide, and after that you just need to click and hold the application. So let's say I will let you hide this part, so click and hold until they will like pop up the options right here, and after that you just need to go click remove app. Don't click delete, you just need to click this remove from the home screen, so you just need to go click it and you'll see the application is already disappeared from your home screen. And how to find them back, you just need to visit your app library. Where you can find the app library, you just need to like select your home screen until they become like this, and you just need to type in the search button here the application that you already hide before. And if you want to bring them back into the home screen, so you just need to go click, hold and drag, click, hold and drag, and you just need to find the place that you want to put the applications and you're done. So that's the way how to hide and find back the hidden applications on your home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.